Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Cool Mist Humidifier. It's received 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Keep your little one comfortable, healthy, and happy with the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Cool Mist Humidifier. Designed with parents and babies in mind, this all-in-one solution goes beyond just adding moisture to the air. It also doubles as a diffuser for soothing essential oils and triples as a calming nightlight. Perfect for easing stuffy noses, dry skin, and ensuring better sleep, it's the ultimate must-have for every nursery. Plus, its sleek design and easy-to-use controls means less fuss for you and more comfort for your baby. Make every night a dream with Frida Baby. So how do you use it? Place the humidifier on a flat, stable surface, ideally in the nursery but out of the reach of your baby. Fill the water tank with clean, cool water. Do not overfill beyond the indicated maximum level line. Attach the water tank back to the base securely. Plug in the humidifier to a power outlet, then turn the knob to select your desired mist level. For a soft glow to help soothe your baby, turn on the built-in night light. This can be especially helpful during nighttime feedings or diaper changes. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.